Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the process of analysis on FMEA, especially the process FMEA, by using the simple device just like the clicking pen that you see here. Okay. Before we start process analysis, we have to know the assembly process of this clicking pen. Normally when you buy it from the shop, that would be the complete assembly like this, but I think some of you might experience using this one, just small piece of maybe pencil or pen. Try to remove the clicking button. This is what we call clicking button. I'm trying to do it. Just insert it and then rotate a little bit, and then you get the clicking button. This is the first component, and then you remove the whole thing. Inside here you got the ink pipe, and that comes together with the spring. Okay, I place it here, and this is here, and this is just the this is the pen body. Okay, this is the pen body. So the basic component of the one clicking pen, you have just only these 4 components, right? And the assembly process is quite simple. You just insert this spring into the ink pipe. Okay, you can notice that ink pipe, you have the ballpoint tip, and then you have the ink pipe made from the LDPE plastic, and you have the ink inside as well. So okay, once you take a close look to this particular component, actually it has 3 main sub-components, which is the ink pipe, which is the this is the ballpoint tip, and this is ink pipe, and within the pipe there would be the ink inside. And the assembly process is quite simple. You just slowly insert the spring into this side of the ink pipe, not from this side. This side will be not the right direction. Okay, because you see that, you notice that this is small piece of what I call the spring retainer. It on the ink pipe itself. The function is to retain the spring. When you insert the spring here, the spring would be retained or would be kept at this particular position once you insert into the pen body. So that would create the springing mechanism when you click on and unlock to click out, something like that. Okay, so this is sub-assembly. You just slowly insert, the next step, slowly insert into the pen body. Okay, and the last step would be, you see that this is the slot for this locking device. So the clicking button, you just slowly insert into the pen body. Somehow you have to rotate to make the good alignment. Once it go to this one, just try push to lock it, and then you can write it down and click here to unlock, and to keep the ballpoint or the ink pipe, the whole ink pipe, within the safe position, so it won't damage when you drop the pen. This is the simple process for assembly of the simple clicking pen. So next step, I will demonstrate you the failure mode that could potentially occur when you conduct the assembly of each component here. Okay, thank you.